Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is switch list style widget in Flutter. So if I click anywhere on this list style, it is changing the color of icon and the switch is toggle between on and off. You can also see the text is changing to on and off. See, the icon color is changing. So we can click anywhere on this list style. So let's go deep dive in switch list style widget. So here I have created a app bar and I have titled it with switch list style. Here I have imported a package and I have called a main function and I have created a stateful widget. So within the scaffold, I have add this app bar parameter and I have given this name. So let me use a body parameter and I'm going to use this widget switch list style. So we need to pass these two parameters inside this. So which is value and I'm going to make it as false and unchanged parameter. Okay. So inside this, let me give return value. So now you can see the switch, but it can't maintain its state. So that we need to add a SetState function inside this unchanged parameter. So this function which belongs to stateful widget. So let me create a variable to store the boolean value of true or false. So I'm going to assign it with the false. In this value, I'm passing this is switched and inside this SetState function, I'm going to give is switched is equals to value. So let me save and run this. So if you observe here, it is maintaining its state now. So this setState function is a part of this stateful widget. So we can customize this using different parameters inside this switch list style widget. So for example, title, text widget, and inside this let me give title as allow Bluetooth. Let me save and run this. So title have added and you can also add this subtitle using this subtitle parameter. So text and let me give enable switch to access Bluetooth. Okay. So let me save and run this and you can see subtitle have added under this title. So let me customize more using many parameters in this switch list style. So I'm going to use secondary parameter and icons dot Bluetooth to add icon to this switch list style. So icon have added exactly opposite to this switch and let me add color to this icon. So color have added and let me show you what is a control affinity parameter of switch list style widget. So list style control affinity. I'm going to use this leading. So let me save and run this. So you can see the switch have added before this title because we have given here leading. For example, let me change this to trailing. Now simply the switch have added at after this title. So next active thumb image and use this network image and I'm just typing happy emoji and click on these images and I'm going to use this image for our project. So I'm going to paste it here. So now you can see some fun in our project. So if I switch on it, you can see the happy image when the switch is on. So similarly, you can also add this image when the switch is inactive. So let me type sad emoji and click on these images and I'm going to select it. Let me copy this image address and let me paste it here. Now let me save and run this. So when the switch is off, it is showing the sad image, and when the switch is on, it is showing happy image. So I'm using these images to make some fun in this switch list style widget. So I hope you could understand very betterly of this switch list style widget. Let me use this active track color and colors dot green. It will just change the track color of the switch when the switch is on. See, the track color is changed to green. And let me use this inactive track color and I'm going to make it to red color. So save it. And you can see when the switch is off, it is showing the red color. It means the switch is off, and when it is green, it is showing that the switch is on. And I'm going to wrap this switch list style widget with the column because I'm going to add one more widget after this switch list style widget, which is text widget. So I'm going to use here if condition because text have to change every time when we change the state of the switch between on and off. So if is switched is equals to 2, the text have to show is the switch is on. So I'm going to write only on here. If the switch is off, so I'm going to use else. The text have to show which is off. So it is so simple. And let me save and run this. Now you can see the text here. When the switch is off, it is showing off, and when the switch is on, it is showing the text on. You can also change the color of this text based on the switch. So add a comma and so style. Inside the style parameter, add text style widget color colors dot green. So when the switch is on, it will show green color text. Okay. So let me copy this. Similarly, I'm going to copy this for when the switch is off. I'll just change this color to red. When the switch is off, it will show red color text. So see here, when the switch is off, it is showing the text off in red color. I hope you have understand this switch list style widget. Do experiment on each and every parameter inside this switch list style. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.